Class 9th Maths Exercise 13.2. Question number 1. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 cm is 88 cm square. Find the diameter of the base of cylinder. Height is 14 cm given. Curved surface area of cylinder is 88 cm square. We know curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH is equals to 88. 2 into, put the value of pi, 22/7 into right radius r as it is into height 14 is equals to 88. Cross multiply it to find the radius of the cylinder. So 88 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 14. On solving this, we get radius is equals to 1 centimeter. So diameter of the cylinder is equals to double of radius is equals to 2 into 1 centimeter is equals to 2 centimeter. Question number 2. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square meters of the sheet are required for the same? Height is 1 meter. Diameter of a cylinder is 140 centimeter. So radius is equals to half of diameter is equals to 70 centimeter. Now convert it into meter by dividing it by 100. We get 0.7 meter. Now area of metal sheet required is equals to total surface area of a cylindrical tank is equals to 2 pi r in brackets r plus h. 2 into, put the value of pi, 22/7 into radius is 0.7. 0.7 plus height is 1. On solving this, we get area of metal sheet required is 7.48 meters square. Question number 3. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter. Inner diameter, let R1 be inner diameter D1 be inner diameter is equals to 4 centimeter and R1 is equals to inner radius is equals to half of diameter is equals to 2 centimeter and outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter. So R2 be outer radius is equals to half of diameter 2.2 centimeter. Now find the curved surface area. Inner curved surface area is equals to 2 pi r1h is equals to 2 into 22/7. R1 is 2 centimeter into height is 77 centimeter given. So into 77. On solving this, we get Inner curved surface area 968 centimeter square. Second part, outer curved surface radius. R1 is 2 centimeter, R2 is 2.2 centimeter and height is 77 centimeter. Now outer curved surface area is equals to 2 pi R2h is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into value of R2 is 2.2 into height is 77. On solving this, we get outer curved surface area is equals to 1064.8 centimeter square. Third part, total surface area. Now total surface area is equals to inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area plus 2 into area of ring. In first and second part, we found the inner curved surface area and outer curved surface area. Now find the area of ring. Area of ring is equals to pi R2 square minus pi R1 square. Take pi common, R2 square minus R1 square in brackets. Put the value of pi 22 by 7. R2 is 22.2 whole square minus R1 is 2 square is equals to 22 by 7. 2.2 whole square is 4.84 minus 2 square is 4. On solving this, we get area of ring is equals to 2.64 centimeter square. Now area of total surface area is equals to total surface area is equals to inner curved surface area. In first part, we found inner curved surface area is 968 centimeter square plus outer curved surface area. In part second, we found outer curved surface area is 1064.8 centimeter square plus 2 into area of ring. Area of ring is 2.64. Now 968 plus 1064.8 is 2032.8 plus 2 into 2.64 is 5.28. On solving this, we get 2038.08 centimeter square. So total surface area is 2038.08 centimeter square. Question number 4. The diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolution to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meters square. Given that diameter of roller is 84 centimeter, so radius is equals to half of diameter is equals to 42 centimeter. Height is 120 centimeter and number of revolution is 500. Now curved surface area of roller is equals to 2 pi RH is equals to 2 into 22 by 7. Radius is 42 into height is 120. On solving this, we get curved surface area of roller is 31,680 centimeter square. Now area of playground is equals to 31,680 multiplied by 500 is equals to 500. Now convert the area of playground into meter square. Now area in meter square is equals to 1,58,40,000 divided by 100 into 100. Meter square is equals to 1584 meter square.